when you're on the court, just don't think about it, just hoop.
What basketball means to me is like a place where I could like calm down and have no thoughts and just play.
Basketball to me is my favorite thing ever. Like, I just love playing the sport.
In 2022, Leilani Rolón, a student at the LINC High School, designed a basketball court with a beautiful, welcoming butterfly theme to create a positive addition to our school. With complications and delays, we have not been able to actualize her idea up until now. In 2025, just months before Leilani graduates, we have the opportunity to create another court in her vision with help from local muralist Walls for Justice.
Walls for Justice is a nonprofit organization that uses art to support social movements and communities. A good example is when we started in 2020 and we were painting and supporting the Black Lives Matter movement by painting lots of murals all throughout our city.
As a low-income school, we rarely get leisure funding per school year, but this will bring a lot of positivity throughout the school. With your help, we can make our current and soon-to-be students happier.